Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to see your recently watched videos on Facebook. So let's begin the video. Open your Facebook app and log into your account. Click on the menu icon located at the right corner. Scroll down a bit and click on videos. Now click on this little icon. Here you will find various options including history. Click on History. This will display a list of all of the videos you have recently watched on Facebook. Now you can browse through the list of videos and tap on any video to watch it again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.